in this video, what you see right now here is also mom. This is the mom. And especially for the last week, depends on the size of the nest. And if they have a lot of kids, in this case, I suspect inside there's a 5 to 6 kids. And the mom just can't uh, stay inside the nest during the day. So she has to come out in a very nearby tree hole and watch the nest very carefully. The nest is just above, so you will find that she will occasionally look up to make sure the nest is safe. And what he look the side right now to the right is a lake, and right now he's looking to the left. Oh, right now he's looking up to. I think what happens is that there's a white-breast nuthatcher approaching the nest, and she's watching very seriously. See that? Wow, she's just ready. Anytime she will take off to attack the nuthatcher. You see that she's very seriously watching the nest. Right now, looks like the nuthatcher is gone, and the nest is safe. Yeah, it's very interesting how the both parents watch the nest very carefully during the whole nest season. In the later series, I also will show you how that behaves uh, during this nest period. So please look at me now.